Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog and happy Friday. And today is quite interesting. The time is noon and I am gonna go a little workout right now. Tanya is actually walking Astro out because we take him out every few minutes, and today is only a week away, basically a couple weeks away from Holi. So Tanya is gonna start shooting all the recipes for Holi, so stay tuned for tonight's special for Tanya's news recipes to come out. And I'm gonna go follow Chloe Ting and do my workout. So if you guys are wondering, this is the weird time to work out, but anyways, I am a firm believer of you get things done whenever you can. So since sometimes we have evening plans and it's quite disruptive if I have to do workout and we can't go out. So what I normally do is I take a lunch break, an hour long. My workouts only last between 30 to 40 minutes. So I do my workout and I eat real quick or on my desk and keep working. So no excuses, right? So I'm gonna go do my workout and see you guys in a bit.
Alright guys, Mayang is working out and both the dogs are here, so you guys know how the workout goes after that.
Go. Come
on baby, let's go.
Kick back. Go.
Let's go downstairs so daddy can work out. What else do I? Oh, my glass. I just came upstairs to pick up all the morning coffee mugs, all of those things basically. So I am very excited today because Holi is in a few days now, and I am going to start shooting recipes for Holi because I want to put them out in my recipe cooking channel before Holi so that you guys can check it out and make it and try it and enjoy all the delicious food. Come on, not over there. Asher, out of that place, come on. So today I'm going to be shooting recipe for Nimki, and some people also call it Namak Pade, right babe? Huh? Nimki is also called as Namak Pade, right? Yeah. So that is what I'm going to be shooting today, and as soon as it comes out, I'm gonna let you guys know. It took me 3 freaking tries to say this thing, but anyways, we already had our breakfast shakes. I already did my workout in the morning, so I had my shake. Mayang is working out right now, and then he's gonna drink his shake. I made pumpkin spice flavor this morning. So yeah, and also it is so cold today outside. It's so windy. I think wind is making it super cold. So yeah, for Holi, what we are thinking of making is basically nimki, gujia, and dahi vade. And also what I used to always eat in my house when back in India was kanji ke vade. That is basically kanji ka pani with vade, and it tastes so good, and I never ate it after I came to US, so I'm gonna make it this time, and I'm also gonna shoot a recipe so you guys can enjoy that. And yeah, it's Friday, so let the weekend begin. My one recipe is done. I just made nimki. Ooh, you guys have to wait. Oh babe, I forgot to fry my heart. I'm gonna do it right now. So yeah, my first recipe is done, and first recipe is done. Mayang is here for lunch break. I'm quickly gonna give him his lunch, and for lunch what I'm making is basically it's a snack because it's already late. So I have 2 slices of sourdough. I have some mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna make some eggs, like a creamy scrambled egg, and put it on top of this. And this is going in the oven right now. So yeah, that's going to be our lunch. Recipe will be out soon before Holi. Don't worry, you'll get enough time to make it, so stay tuned. Lunch looks something like this. We have 2 toasts of sourdough, and then mozzarella cheese, not mozzarella, Amul cheese, and this has garlic seasoning with chili flakes, and this has scrambled egg with everything bagel seasoning. So yeah, this is how it looks.
Guys, the Friday has begun and we just received Marvel and Astro's food, so we were keeping that in our chest freezer in the garage. because yes, we order like 50 pounds of meat for them, which is quite a bit. It's not gonna fit in here for sure because that freezer is for Tanya's meat, so we have to separate Marvel's meat from her so she doesn't eat his.
Yeah, right.
So so anyways, that's what we just did. It's 5:30, so she is finishing up some work in kitchen, putting in the dishwasher, and then we're gonna feed the boys and take them out for a walk. The weather is finally sunny and nice.
And then are we going to TJ Maxx?
Oh yeah. So we have to go to TJ Maxx because we have to get the boxes that we are gonna prepare for Holi, and we are not gonna tell you a lot more because you'll see what we do with those. Max to find some boxes so to make the edible arrangements for Holi for some of our friends, and
we are gonna get a big box for Gujia.
Yes, because Yashu just called and he was like, if you're making Gujia, can you please make
extra?
Literally gonna make double the amount now.
Yeah, when he says extra, it doesn't mean like 4 or 5 pieces extra.
Yeah.
It's like literally extra. So.
Because we don't make very often, and you know what? Something interesting is like Tanya is gonna shoot all the recipes, so you guys must go and check out tonight's special.
Yes.
To find all the recipes. We are gonna be back and we'll show you what we find today. Let me show you real quick what we got. So we got the boxes for our friends, and it looks something like this. So we are gonna make edible arrangements in those boxes, and then we got a couple of containers. These are big containers. They should be able to hold all the regular stuff that we typically make on Holi. And please don't laugh because I proposed an idea to Tanya where we got this cupcake tray. Excuse me, sir. Marvel, it has some more stuff in it. Marvel, it has stuff in it. Alright, so yeah, I proposed the idea to Tanya about getting this. It is the cupcake tray, but the inside of this tray is actually removable so that we can use it as our Gujia space.
Yep.
So we can keep the Gujia in there and just close it so that it doesn't crush each other. And it's super cool because it has the big cupcakes here, and then you can invert it and it has some small cupcakes there. So it's super nice. So I think we are ready for some Holi preparations. We were not able to find any colors, but today I got an email that they have colors available, so I'm gonna go get some colors. If you guys have any ideas how I can prank Tanya, I'm gonna leave my email address in here and send me those ideas. My personal email address, she won't be able to see it. Send me those ideas how I can prank her with colors, and then we'll have some fun. So anyways, now this one here is craving for biryani, chicken biryani, and today's Friday. We are doing great with our routine, so we are very proud of that. So we deserve a good meal, and we are. So I said today I'm gonna make biryani. Normally Tanya always makes biryani, but today I'm gonna make biryani, and you guys have seen biryani so many times, so I may not be showing you everything, but once it's ready. And look at her nimki. You better not miss the recipe video for this. I'm telling you,
so good,
because these are made from whole multi-grain flour, and you wouldn't even know. And with some semolina in it. That crunch. We can do ASMR with this. This biryani is ready. So we are gonna go serve some hot biryani. Watch a movie called Shikara, which is a new movie apparently, and we haven't watched it. It's a Hindi movie, so we are gonna be casting on our TV and watching that movie. And by the way, if you haven't watched Dr. Foster, it's a very good series. At least we liked it, so highly recommend it.
is almost 12 o'clock and we were passed out in the couch sleeping, me, Marl and Mayank. Just woke up. We're going upstairs to sleep, but yep. I hope you had a great day. And look at Astro, he is off to his bed, sleeping right there. He just goes and sleeps on his crates on his own. So yep, alright, we'll see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye.